The speaker did not attend those meetings.
Okay.
Senator Grace Poe was not allowed to attend most of those meetings. It ended up Saldico and Senate President Escudero were the ones that actually penciled in.
Is it right to say
Kasi sila lang yung pumirma sa GAA no, nung 2025. May paper trail kasi si Escudero. Nagtataka lang ako bakit hindi pa rin siya nire-rekomenda ang kasuhan. And grabe.
that Zaldico and are you saying she's Escudero are frankly to blame
Yes.
Yes.
for the 2025
Grabe.
budget?
Yes.
budget. Saan nga ba nilaan ang mga siningit na pondo?
Tila na elbow ang education at House departments sa insertions sa 2025 national budget. Yan ang isa sa red flags na lumabas sa isang dokumentong nakalap ng Bilyonaryo News Channel.
Ayan yung mahirap dito kasi there is an actual paper trail that connects Cheese Escudero sa mga kalokohan sa flood control. And ang masakit pa dito, hindi lang naman isang source yung nandyan may paper trail and may testigo.
2025. Around July 2025, I had a chance encounter with Senator Cheese and Maynard Ngu at the court.
See? Ibig sabihin may direct participation si Cheese Escudero sa pandarambong sa bayan. Ang problema, bakit hindi pa siya kinakasuhan? Gusto natin ng big fish, may ebidensya tayo, hindi kasuhan. Asa ng backbone ng ating gobyerno. Pero aasahan ko pa rin si Pangulong Marcos na tutuluyan niya tong tao na to kasi hindi pa naman tapos yung term niya. There is still a lot of time left. Kailangan lang konting yagbos.